In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change color on Redragon mouse. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Some Redragon mice will have RGB lighting, and you can easily alter the colors that are displayed on the LEDs in your particular mouse, regardless of the model. So, in order to do this, you need to download the Redragon software. It is through their software where you will be able to change the colors, disable them altogether, and in order to use it, go over to the Redragon website and look for your particular model of mouse. So in this video here, I'm going to redragonzone.com, and then you click on download and you will find the mouse category. You will notice that they have a lot of mice available. So use the search function to look for your particular model. So for example, the Cobra. Even though it doesn't appear here, I can still use Ctrl F. So once you find your particular mouse that you want to customize, you click on it and the option will be available here, software. So download the software, install it, just run the executable file, and by doing this, when you open it, the mouse will be detected. The very first category should be lighting. So you can create various different profiles if you wish, customize all of the modes, but this is optional. If you only want to have it set to one thing only, just go into the lighting tab and you will find everything available here. So they have some presets or some effects. Full lighted will make it so it is always on, then you can change the brightness, and they will have some preset colors for you to use. You can also choose from this gradient here, and you will be able to set it to cycle between different colors. As long as you choose the proper effect while you are running the software and you always remember to apply, it is going to be saved into the mouse's onboard memory, and this will work for any Redragon mouse that has RGB capabilities, so you can customize the LEDs however you prefer. Everything will be saved, and like I said before, you can create custom profiles if you wish. I hope I was able to help you on how to change color on Redragon mouse. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.